Nita Hinduja and a big warm welcome to my channel. I'm yet again here with a new activity box for your little ones. This is a box that I mostly recommend people when they have already tried a Get Class Monitor box or they are confused as to which one to buy, not the very expensive ones. So this is a box that I have personally enjoyed it. Reasons being, it has very simple and basic activities which engage the child at a very core level. They love doing it because it has been made in a very fun and a very interesting way. What I love about this activity is that they are more of worksheets that help the children how to do a particular subject in a particular manner. Now they have different subjects that have been covered from maths, English, science to thinking logic. Also they give you a puzzle, then they give you some flashcards, and it covers everything that you would need in an activity box. Now this activity box was introduced to me when Ayan was 2.5 years old, and that was the first time I had tried it. So now I have come up with them, and anybody who wish to buy, do get in touch with them and I will share all the details, where to buy, how to buy and how to go about. Now the kit that I'm going to be showing you is from 4 to 5 years. The earlier box that I bought was from 2 to 3 years old when Ayan was I had about 3 to 4 years old, which had activities, and I saw Ayan thoroughly enjoying it because it covered phonics, it covered matching things, it covered matching the objects, which I personally loved it. So this is the activity box I'm talking about. Now the beauty about this box, when I spoke to the developer of this one, she very clearly mentioned that she herself was looking out for a very lovely activity box for her children at a very budget friendly price. This box, you will receive a discount when you tell them that you have bought it from me. So I'm going to leave all the details that you can get in touch with them. They are on Instagram. They have also given you a telephone number which I will be telling you, and they also have a Facebook page. So the parent got with a teacher who has been a very professional teacher, and that's how they have curated this entire box. So this is the box, how it looks like. Comes in a yellow and polka dot packing, and it says Learning with Fun, a homeschooling kit. The ages that they cover are 1 to 2 years, 2 to 3 years, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. I know still a lot of parents are still thinking about sending their children on an online school. So this is few of the activity boxes that you can start with your little ones, and they can be engaged, and you also are not guilty of not being able to do the education part with them. So I'm going to be just taking you with me as to what all I have received. So I've received worksheets which says My World, then we have English, then we have maths, and then we have a jigsaw puzzle, and then we have posters. So I'm going to show you a glimpse of what all is there inside, and it is very interesting and very fun. Hey guys, this is a homeschooling kit, and I'm going to be unboxing right in front of you, and I'm also going to be showing you in depth what all we've got. So these are some puzzles, some jigsaw puzzles. They have also provided with you with stationery. They have given this around the world map. Then this is assembly guide card. Then we have got some poster colors, and these are the worksheets that I have been raving about because I totally love them. They cover subjects ranging from English, maths, my world, science, thinking skills, and I find them to be very interactive, very creative. And so this is thinking skills. I'm just going to show you what all is there inside. So we have shapes, you have to match the circle to clock, and so on and so forth. Then we have shapes here again. Then we have color, which is color the shapes, mix them and find few colors. Then we also have Sudoku pattern for kids. It is 4 to 5 years of age. Then we have direction. It says use these arrows for directions in the previous page as to how to reach Peppa and her family. Then these are again the directions, so you have to cut out and do it. And then we have a story sequence. So this is the thinking skill. Then this is Learning with Fun, the posters. So in the poster section we have fruits, which says these are the different fruits. Like these are the posters which you can stick it on the wall or on a pin board if you have for your child. So this is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Then we have animal sounds. Then we have wild animals. Then we have farm animals, and so on and so forth, that you would need the posters for your little ones. So then we have Short Eye, the CVC list, that is nip, kit, dim, then the a sound, then we have the addition paper. So this is to introduce them the maths thing. So these are the posters which you can put it in their rooms, and they can, you know, every time just passing by they can see these. The next that I'm going to show you is the maths. So this is a little thicker than the other ones. So they are, all the subjects have been individually packed, so you can take out one from each and do it. So this is a maths section that I'm going to show you. So it says write the number that comes in between at 7, 8, 9, and then the other activities. And then it says compare each set, write the correct symbol that's greater than, lesser than, or equal to. Then we have this. This is quite interesting for them to start on a mathematics class, because not every activity box covers this subject. They are more based on activity, education, English, rhymes and all. So this is what I loved, that they have subjects like science, English and maths. So this again is solve the addition problems and color it by the sum. What you can do is the addition poster that I showed you, you can stick it in their room, and then, you know, as they learn you can make them color this. Never think that your child is just 4.5 years old, usko hum addition kaise sikhayenge. To be very honest, they grasp things very quickly, and we as parents are always doing our best to give them the best knowledge we can. Now moving on is my world. In my world it says circle the things that belong to the picture. So the child has to do so. I'm not going to show you, I'm not able to show you all of it because there are too many papers. I'm just giving you a glimpse of what all is there in this. So then we have transport, then we have these. Now the beauty about these pages is the fact that they are you know, A4 size. You can take a transparent sheet, put it inside, and you can reuse it by making your child do with a marker, and you can use it for like 2 kids, 3 kids, and you know, you can take this for traveling also. So it's not like once it's done it's completely done. You can keep doing with them again and again. Then we move on to English. So this is again on the language based skill. So this is more of writing, as you can see. Then they have phonics, then they have phonics again here as to the cup. The cup is there, then they have a tub, so that is C-U-P, then we have T-U-B, tub, bud. They have phonics. This was the one that Ayan had done it previously, and this is what I love, that they are very bright and colorful, and as again it is travel friendly, which I love. Then we move on to science. This is the science kit that says that it has trees, fruits, branches, roots, and this is what we have been doing. Then the circular things that we get from trees and plants. Then you have sorting in this. Then you have sorting again, animal, bird, reptile, aquatic, and so this is what the picture has been given to you, and then you have to put it in the following category. Then as we move, again you have sorting of farm animals. Write the beginning sound of all animals. Now they are teaching them to write as well, so this is where they can use the 4 rule line thing, and then they can write it. So these are just the starting alphabets which they can do it. Then we have birds, which is flamingo, parrot, then we have ostrich, and then penguin. And this is the continent section wherein the child can learn about that. We have solar system, and last but not the least we have space. So this is how it looks. So this is how you would get the flashcards, teaching your child about dinosaur, about continents, then about insects. Then there are sentences also, because he is now 4 to 5 years bracket. So there are sentences like I like milk, then again some sentences, then the months. So these are the flashcards that they have been provided you with. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the box. Yet again I got you a new activity box for parents, because every parent has a different liking with the way of teaching. So I'm here to get as many boxes I can. Also do subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and it's totally worth it, because you get updates every time I post a video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that you get the notifications of videos that I post. I also post a lot of food content, a lot of activity boxes, a lot of travel content. Do check them out as well. You can drop in, say hi, follow me on Instagram for my daily activities as to how I teach Ayan, the playful and some fun reels that we have made over the past few months. So do check that out. That's Hinduja Ekta on Instagram, and I'm so thankful to all of you for being so supportive of the content that I have been putting. I'm really humbled and thank you. So thank you so much once again, with lots of love. Take care, stay safe, stay hydrated, and do check out the box. Bye bye.